Hello everyone and welcome to today's educational video. Today, we are exploring the word authentic and its synonyms and antonyms in both English and Telugu. Authentic means real, true, original in Telugu, that's asalainadi, nijamainadi. We use this word when we want to say something is not fake or false. Let's dive deeper into understanding this word and how to use it correctly. Now, let's look at when, where, who, and how we use the word authentic. We use it when confirming truth or originality. You'll find this word used in contexts like documents, certificates, stories, history, and emotions. It's often associated with honest people, genuine leaders, and reliable friends. And how do we determine authenticity? By checking proof, evidence, or building trust. Understanding these usage contexts will help you use this word more effectively in your daily communication. Synonyms Introduction. Every word has synonyms, words with similar meanings. For authentic, we have four main synonyms in English: genuine, reliable, valid, and guaranteed. These are asalu, nijamainadi, nammadaginadi, చట్టబద్ధమైన, సరైనది, and హామీ ఇచ్చినది, respectively. Let's examine each of these synonyms more closely to understand their specific contexts and usage. Genuine. Our first synonym is genuine, which in Telugu is asalu, nijamainadi. We use genuine when talking about emotions, jewelry, friendship, or kindness. You'll encounter this word in markets, relationships, and daily speech. It describes people who are honest and not pretending. You can recognize genuineness when you can feel the truth from your heart. For example, we say, "He gave me a genuine apology." This would be, "Atanu naku oka nijamaina క్షమాపణ చెప్పాడు." Reliable. Next up is reliable, which translates to నమ్మదగినది. We use this word when someone or something can be trusted again and again. It's commonly used for jobs, machines, friends, and information. Reliable people include friends, employees, drivers, and sources. We determine reliability through experience, consistency, and trust. For instance, we might say, "My bike is very reliable." This becomes, "నా బైక్ చాలా నమ్మదగినది." Valid. Our third synonym is valid, చట్టబద్ధమైన, సరైనది. We use valid for rules, laws, IDs, and arguments. You'll find this word in courts, offices, during travel, and in exams. Authorities, government officials, and judges often use this term. Something is considered valid when it has a legal stamp or official approval. For example, your ticket is valid for one journey only. మీ టికెట్ ఒక ప్రయాణానికి మాత్రమే చట్టబద్ధమైనది. Guaranteed. Finally, we have guaranteed, which translates to హామీ ఇచ్చినది. We use this word when assurance is given. It's commonly found in shops, contracts, and promises. Sellers, companies, and leaders provide guarantees. Something is guaranteed through written documentation or spoken promises. For instance, the shopkeeper gave me a guaranteed warranty card. దుకాణదారు నాకు హామీ ఉన్న వారంటీ కార్డు ఇచ్చాడు. Antonyms Introduction. Now, let's explore the antonyms of authentic, words with opposite meanings. The four main antonyms are fictitious, counterfeit, unreal, and false. These are కల్పితమైన, నకిలీ, అవాస్తవమైన, and అబద్ధమైన, తప్పుడు, respectively. Understanding these antonyms will help you better grasp the full meaning of authentic by knowing what it's not. Fictitious. Our first antonym is fictitious, kalpitamaina. We use this word for imaginary stories and fake names. You'll find it in novels, movies, and fake accounts. Writers and fraudsters create fictitious things. They do this by using imagination rather than facts. For example, the hero in the book is fictitious. పుస్తకంలోని హీరో కల్పితమైనవాడు. Counterfeit. Next is counterfeit, nakili. We use this word for fake money, certificates, and goods. You'll encounter counterfeit items in markets, banks, and during exams. Criminals and fraudulent sellers create counterfeit products by imitating originals to cheat people. For instance, he was arrested for making counterfeit notes. అతను నకిలీ నోట్లు తయారు చేసినందుకు అరెస్టయ్యాడు. Unreal. Our third antonym is unreal, అవాస్తవమైన. We use this word for dreams, illusions, and impossible things. You'll find it in movies, imagination, and dreams. Dreamers and storytellers create unreal things by exaggerating or imagining. For example, in English, the magic show looked unreal. ఆ మ్యాజిక్ షో అవాస్తవంగా కనిపించింది. False. Finally, we have false, అబద్ధమైన, తప్పుడు. We use this word for lies, wrong information, and fake promises. You'll encounter false statements in courts, schools, and workplaces. Liars and cheaters create false things by intentionally saying wrong things. For instance, he gave a false report to the police. అతను పోలీసులకు ఒక తప్పుడు నివేదిక ఇచ్చాడు. Telugu comparison. To wrap up, let's look at the simple Telugu comparison of all the words we've learned today. For synonyms, genuine asalu, నిజమైనది, and is used for heart or objects. Reliable is నమ్మదగినది, and refers to people, machines, or information. Valid is చట్టబద్ధమైనది, and is used for documents or arguments. Guaranteed is హామీ ఇచ్చినది, and refers to objects or promises. For antonyms, fictitious is కల్పితమైనది, and is used for stories or characters. Counterfeit is nakili, and refers to money or certificates. Unreal is అవాస్తవమైనది, and is used for dreams or imagination. False is తప్పుడు, అబద్ధమైనది, and refers to information or words. Closing. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the word authentic and its synonyms and antonyms in both English and Telugu. Understanding these words and their contexts will help you communicate more effectively and precisely. I hope you found this educational video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.